Hi, my name is Chad Williams, and today we're going to make a professional line plot. Let's start off with some data. So plot underscore data equals data.frame. So we're going to start off with values equals, and we're going to have, let's say, 5 different time points. So we're going to need 5 different distributions. So we're going to go C, then we're going to go R norm, 10 people for time point 1, with let's say a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 2. So I'm just going to copy paste this 5 times to save some time. Then we're going to just change the means. So let's say this one's 15. This one's, let's say, 18. Then we have 8, and then we have 2. What we need next is those 5 different time points. So let's just say that variable is called time. We're going to sort a repeated 1 to 5. And we're going to repeat 1 to 5 10 times. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if we sort it, it's just going to put it in a list. So what we're going to do is we see that the first 10 data points are 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Great. What we need for this is the ggplot2 package. So let's run that. Let's start off by setting up our ggplot with the aesthetics, where x equals time and then y equals values. And then we need to also tell it that the data equals our plot underscore data frame. So it's just going to create an empty plot. And oh, I forgot to put, we're going to use the hmisc package as well. And so I'm going to run that too. And that's because we're going to use stat summary here. And what we're going to have is our function equals mean. And then we're going to have our geom equals line. And if we do that, what we get is our line. Then finally, to remove that gray background, we could go theme underscore classic. And all together, we have a professional line plot.